Shabu.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Today we're going at a country.
Ayan, lalabas ulit kami. Today is Monday and pumasok na Zion, mommy is what talking. Pumasok si Zion kanina sa school, first day of term 4. And then first day malungkot siya kasi pinaghiwalay sila nung best friend niya, si Olivia. So hindi na si Olivia yung katabi niya sa so loud please. Hindi na si Olivia yung kasama niya katabi niya sa table or sa chair. And then now papunta kami sa Chinatown. Sort of celebration ng anniversary namin ni Dwayne for tomorrow kasi may pasok siya bukas. So we're just going out today and we're going to Chinatown para bumili ng something. So yeah, see you in Chinatown. See you in Chinatown. See you in Chinatown.
See you. And also, I don't do this. You don't bring your ball.
Zion, sit down properly, please.
Okay, I'm just using it to put on my back.
Upo daw dito sa gilid na.
No, that's dangerous, baby. Just sit down there. We're almost there soon. We're almost there soon. What's that?
Let's go.
Yan pala si Hongling Park.
Last time the Philippine actress over here.
Park Royal.
I-forward mo sa ating madam.
New Year. It's anak, Mid-Autumn Festival.
Yeah, where we get to eat as much monkeys as we want.
Not really.
You still got the snow skin one.
Yeah, the green one.
Yeah.
But they're not really liking even the normal one. Saan dito na kami? We're going down?
Yeah, so we go down.
Careful na. Actually, hindi namin alam kung saan kami pupunta. Sinusundan lang namin si Dwayne.
This isn't a charity.
Pati siya din, hindi siya familiar. Bihira kaming pumunta dito parang tuwing Chinatown. Chinese New Year lang. Okay, so lumabas na kami sa mall. Meron silang paano dun, oh. Pa mid-autumn. Pero, mamaya na kami magpipicture. Zion! Ang taba ko daw dito sa damit ko na suot. Nakadress ako tapos dark yung sa pangtaas tapos pa-light sa baba. Kaya sabi, pati si Dwayne sabi, malaki ka sa damit na. Pero ang ano niya kasi, ang sarap sa katawan, malambot. Ay, hindi malambot, manipis. Kaya gusto ko, presko. Tom, let's go. Let's hold hands.
Mom, I need cherry.
You don't need carry. Okay, so dito kami pupunta sa People's Park Complex. Exit C dito. Yan. Dito nagbabasa ng map. Okay, we're here. Zion, this way, anak.
The center over that side.
The where Mark Wayne's went, right?
I think so. So the upper center is that side.
Okay, andito na kami sa Sorry.
One place.
Say hi.
Hi.
Can you see yourself?
The factory.
We're at the factory. May the bum dance. Dance. Ay, sus. Are they having a party? Oh my goodness. Nagpicture-picture si Mama dyan. Kami na rin. Nakalagay pa rin yung yung mid-autumn display dito. Nice. Let's take a picture. Okay. Look, may bicycle sa gitna. Burrito ko sa. Ayan, ano kami, mild snack. Mild snack. Konting snack. Before, kasi magdi-dinner din kami later. So, we're just having a fries. Kasi wala kaming mapuntahan. And makati yung bibig. Kaya, kain tayo. Okay, we're here at library at Chinatown. Use Wi-Fi.
Bye, Papa Bear.
So you got to scan the barcode. Where's your yeah. Continue.
Okay, we are leaving Chinatown complex. Naka-on na yung mga lantern. Sayang di tayo nakapagpa-picture dun sa harap. Gusto ko dito kasi yung mga nila yung mga building nila. Mga old school type.
The mooncake, Mom.
Big mooncake.
Massive.
Oh wow, massive.
Let's go there.
Where? In the middle of the road? Sabi niya big mooncake daw. Ay, the uncle is taking picture, Daddy. Say peace. If Jackie sees that, she will like it. Yan, kita mo yan.
Mom want to see.
May babanji-banji.
Mom want to see.
Gusto mo daw umupo doon?
The next time Jackie come over, then can see.
Dalawa kayo. Dalawang upuan yan eh. Yan, one of my favorite building here, the colorful building. Look, Coco.
Oh, it's rainbow. Wait, how did they do that?
Kakauwi lang daw ni Jackie. Ayan, andito kami sa Suntec. Suntec, where ba? Dito kami magdi-dinner. May on-site COVID testing pala yun.
It's okay. It's nice to walk barefoot sometimes.
Paano mang
Yeah.
battery?
It's better to walk barefooted.
may nagmana na sa koko niya. Nagbabasa na habang naglalakad. Kerry. Okay, dinner time. So we're having soup, noodle soup, yung favorite nilang fried rice with pork chop, his favorite ni Dave. And we ordered 2 set of xiaolong pao.
Rice, okay.
The barley.
Barley.
Yes.
From the barley.
Yes. The middle one. Wait lang nak. So yun, kain tayo. Ang ingay ni Ezra. Okay, pauwi na kami. Ayan. Ang dilim-dilim na, nagbabasa pa rin sila. Pinapagalitan ko na sila pero wala. Pero better na lang din na kasi ang gulo-gulo nila pag wala silang ginagawa. Now we're on the way home. It's way past Zion's bedtime. So pag uwi namin, diretso na patulogin na si Zion. I think that's the end of our anniversary. Our anniversary is just a normal day celebrating with all going out with the kids. So yun. See the Singapore flyer. We are how many years na? 11 years. 11 plus 2. So almost 13 years. So, yeah. Bye. Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Madilim.
Bye. Bye.
This Whoop is reading Coco's book.
Thank you for watching our vlog. Bye.